Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a mathematical symbol in Microsoft Word. So if you already opened the Microsoft Word, you can find insert button here. Just tap on it and select symbol here. So you can add the mathematical symbol available here. You can add click more symbol to getting another symbol here. So select option here, number form, row, and etc. So for example, I'm going to select this less than or equal to, click insert, just close. So just type you want to typing, and then you can also add equation here or make the mathematical equation here. So that's how to add the mathematical symbol and Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.